Hi, my name is Aditya and I am the CEO of Automaski. Today I am going to be talking about some of the toughest problems solving which will define the future of mankind. But before we get started, a little bit about Automaski. We've been working on complexity theory since 1980s, solved feasible NP in early 90s, got into quantum physics in mid 90s, and within a few years realized this universe is a simulation and that too a linear order simulation. And that implementing physics won't require of the order of 2 to the power 3n complexity, but rather order n complexity. We had developed a rudimentary quantum computer a few years later, but only in 2014. When there were massive publications, we figured out which gates to implement and what algorithms to benchmark and test with. Hence, one could say we implicitly achieved quantum supremacy in early 2015 by virtue of having tested the world's first production grade quantum computer. 2 years back, we simulated quantum gravity with a billion qubits. 6 months back, we publicly launched our RSA 2048 cracking service available for anyone who cares to pay money and use it. Till then, it was available only to Department of Defenses and agencies around the world behind closed doors. And today, we are working on our quantum gravity computer based on causalite formalism. Again, the core quantum gravity computer has been ready for years now. We've been playing with it and trying incremental changes. Just that we don't know how to make use of it because there is nothing published or available out there which shows how something like a quantum gravity computer can be used to solve real world problems. A small piece of advisory, please proceed with caution. If this presentation goes against your belief system, then please ignore this presentation, stop the video and focus on things you are passionate about. If you are respectful and polite, I would love to answer any questions you might have or listen to your thoughts. Feel free to email info@automaski.com. This is the catalog of problems which are extremely complicated and will define the future of mankind. If you look at them closely, then these are all branching problems, these are all temporal problems, these are basically what is called branching temporal logic problems. What is CTL plus 1? It is basically a temporal logic model, and at every step the time may split into various possible futures. So you are basically branching out. This is branching time temporal logic, and these problems are delta 2p complete. You can't even check a model. What is ATL? In computer science, ATL is basically alternating time temporal logic. It is a branching time temporal logic that extends computational tree logic CTL to multiple players. Basically, whenever you have games and players involved where the game progresses through time, you can model it using ATL. Now, it uses alternating time formulas to construct model checkers in order to address problems and solve these problems. Kripke structures is a variation of a transition system originally proposed by Saul Kripke. It is used in model checking to represent the behavior of a system. It consists of a graph where each node represents the reachable states of the system and the edges represent the transitions. Temporal logics are traditionally interpreted in terms of Kripke structures. ATL, CTL, etc. is what is based on Kripke structures. Presburger arithmetic is basically a first order theory. It is basically a theory of natural numbers with addition. There is no other operation other than addition, and this is used to prove number theory problems. Peano arithmetic. All the axioms in Peano arithmetic axioms are first order except for the ninth axiom, which is second order. But this supersedes Presburger arithmetic by also including multiplication. Integer circuit problem. Just like we have Boolean circuits, an integer circuit works on integers where the gates can do union, intersection, multiplication, addition or division, addition or subtraction. And the problem of finding whether a number n is present in the output of a given circuit is n exp time hard. Generalized games, just like you have games like Sudoku, chess, Go, etc. If you create a game of an arbitrary size, for example, playing chess on an n by n board with each side having 2 into n pieces, or playing Sudoku constructed on an n by n grid, it is called a generalized game. And these games are p space complete and exp time complete. These are the problems solving which will define the future of mankind. You might not want to believe it, but either way, this is what it is. Congratulations and enjoy. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Remember, all I'm offering is a truth, nothing more. Thank you. And if you have any questions, you can email info@automaski.com.